Welcome to Home of Math. We are starting factorization practice. Let's start. Number 21. Here is a cube minus 9b cube plus a plus b whole cube. Look, here is a cube and here is a plus b whole cube. But this 9b cube, we have to do something. So we can make plan like a cube minus b cube plus a plus b whole cube minus 8b cube. Now look, this is minus b cube and this is minus 8b cube. It means 9b cube. Now we can make plan about a cube minus b cube and also a plus b whole cube minus 8b cube. How? Look, this one we can write a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? And this one we can write a plus b whole cube minus this 8 means 2 cube and b is a b cube, so 2b cube, right? Now look, this one it will be unchanged, right? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square plus, and this one we can do something like this is looking a cube minus b cube, so we can write like a plus b minus 2b, right? And this one a square means a plus b whole square. Then this is a minus, so here is a plus ab, a means a plus b and b means 2b, and then plus b square means 2b square. Okay, now till it will be unchanged, a minus b and here is a square plus ab plus b square. Now here is a and here is plus b minus 2b, it means a minus b, and here we can make this one a plus b whole square theory, so we can use a square plus 2ab plus b square plus here is a, here is 2b, so we can write 2ab, and here is plus b and 2b, so once we multiply it will become 2b square plus here is a 4b square, right? Now look, now think carefully, here is a minus b and here is a minus b, so we can take common a minus b, right? So a big thing, here is a square plus ab plus b square, right? And here everything we can take, so 2ab plus 2ab, it will be 4ab, and here is a b square and 4b square, it's a 5b square, so one by one we can write. Oh, here is also 2b square, so here is a 7b square, right? So one by one we can write. First we can take a square, here is a square, then we can take 2ab, so this is a 4ab plus, and then this is a b square, 2b square, 4b square, it means 7b square. Okay, now a minus b and here is a square plus a square, it should 2a square plus 4ab, ab, it's a 5ab, and then b square, 7b square, it means 8b square, and this is our answer. Okay, so these kinds of math we have to know about a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube theory, which is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube, it means a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So if you know this theory, we can easily complete these kinds of factorization. So number 21 done, and today we target to make another math, which is number 22. Let's start. Number 22. Here is 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x minus 63. Look, here is cube, here is square, and here is x. So have some similarity. How? A plus b whole cube. We know a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So look, this is a cube, it means x cube. Here is a square, it means here is x square. Here is only a, so this is x. So we have to make this format, this algebraic expression. How? Look, 8x cube, we can write 2x cube. 2 cube means 8, x cube means x cube, plus 3a square b. So first 3, a means what? 2x, 2x square. So what does mean? 2 square means 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, and x square is x square, so no need to anything. Therefore for b we can write 1 plus 3ab square. 3 is a 3, a means 2x. Look, 3 times 2 is a 6, and x is a x, and we know b is a 1. Therefore we need one thing, which is b cube. So we can write plus 1 cube. Here is minus 64, but here is 1 cube means 1. Look, 1 and minus 64, it will become minus 63. So minus 64 we can write. Okay, now total thing, this expression we can write 2x plus 1 whole cube minus, this is a 64, this 64 we can write 4 cube, right? 4 cube means what? 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4 is a 16, 16 times 4 is a 64. So it's also looking a cube minus b cube. So again we can write a cube minus b cube, it means a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So similar, a means 2x plus 1 minus b, it means minus 4, then close bracket. Now a square, it means 2x plus 1 whole square, then plus, we can write plus a means 2x plus 1 times b means 4 plus b square, it means 4 square. Okay, very easy. So 2x we can write plus 1 minus 4, it should minus 3. Okay, then 2x plus 1 we can convert this one to a plus b whole square. So 2x square plus 2ab, 2 times 2x times 1 plus 1 square, plus here is a 8x, right? 2x times 4 is a 8x, then plus 4 plus 4 square means 16. Okay, now this is 2x minus 3, and this is 4x square plus 4x plus 1, right? And here is 8x plus, here is what? 4 plus 16, so 4 plus 16. Now total, after segregate we will get, here is a 4x square plus 4x plus 8x is a 12x plus 1 plus 4 plus 16. So 16 plus 4 is a 20, 20 plus 1 is a 21, and this is our answer. So it's not tough math, but this is a combination of some theory like a plus b whole square and also a cube minus b cube. So these kinds of theory you should keep maintain, otherwise you will not solve this kinds of problem. And also sometime we need to make b cube, sometime we need to make plus minus, so it should need to maintain adjust. So no more today, we are trying to solve 21 and 22, which is from exercise 3.3, and next video we will start from 23. So thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem, please share it your opinion in the comment section. Thank you.